What's up, mathlete? Is your brain ready for a workout? Then let's warm up. Create an array that has 3 rows with 6 objects in each row. Let's look at this array another way. Which array is broken up to show 1 row plus 2 rows? Write and solve multiplication sentences to describe each part of your array. Which expression adds both parts of the array together to show the total number of dots in the array? Which other expression describes this array? Which other expression describes this array? Which other expression describes this array? Let's write another expression to represent this array. First, write an addition expression that represents the total number of rows in the array. Now let's multiply the number of rows by the size of each row to show the total. What should we multiply by to show the size of each group? 1 plus 2 times 6. Did you notice the symbols around the 1 plus 2? These symbols are called parentheses. My parentheses show how I make groups. Here, I added the number of rows. 1 row for up here, plus 2 for the 2 rows down here. Then, I multiplied by 6, which is the size of the groups. 1 plus 2 times 6 shows that I found the total number of groups first, and then I multiplied by the size of the group, which is 6. There are lots of different number sentences that can all equal the same thing. Which other expression also represents the total number of dots in this array? Let's look at a new array. Which expression describes the total number of dots in this array? Which other number sentences describe the total number of dots in this array? Sort the number sentences. Which number sentences describe the total number of dots in this array? Write an expression that describes the total number of dots in this array. Now write and solve a multiplication sentence for each part of the array. Add the two parts of the array together to create another expression that represents this array. Both expressions represent the array. Does 3 times 8 equal 1 times 8 plus 2 times 8? 3 times 8 represents this array, and 1 times 8 plus 2 times 8 also represents the same array. Both expressions represent the same number of circles, so the expressions are equivalent. We can use 1 times 8 plus 2 times 8 to solve 3 times 8 and find the total number of dots in the array. You try. Start by writing the products for the expressions in parentheses to complete the number sentence. Use the products from the expressions in parentheses to complete the number sentence. Write a number sentence for each part of the array.